Hello guys, and welcome to another video. This is my shopping haul for the week, and you can see we've got a variety of things. Hoping to create 2 or 3 meals from this haul. Maybe a fish dish, something with the eggs, and something with the bread and eggs, so stay tuned. And also if we create some delicious meals during the week. So let's just have a little run through what we've got. So if you know me, you know I like my salmon, smoked salmon, quite versatile. I can do a lot of things with that. So that'll be used for a meal and maybe with the salad for something at work during lunchtime. Cream cheese, yeah, sometimes that comes into play. I like to mix it with the salmon, so stay tuned for that one. Chicken, I do love my chicken, so that will be used in the week for sandwiches, probably cheese sandwiches with, get this loaf of bread from Sainsbury's for 45p. I think it was 45 or 55, but anyway. Brown wholemeal bread, which I really do like. I don't really buy white bread. Wholemeal bread, 45 or 55p. Fantastic. I've been a little bit under the weather this week, so I'm going to be having some herb tea, and what I like to do is add a little bit of honey to the herb tea. I know it's got honey in it already, but I use that in normal tea as well, and I do like to put it in porridge also. So honey, yeah, good for getting your body right and fighting infection, I guess. Oreos, not really for me, for the little one, for school snacks. Apples, probably just to go with the lunchbox. Gala I like, Braeburn, those kind of things. I think with a bit of redness in it, I quite like. I do have a sweet tooth. I know there's no added sugar, but that'll provide me with some sweetness during the week. Probably take some of those to work to go with my lunch. Apple juice. My little one's an apple juice monster, so she's got her apple juice there. Refrigerators, we share those. She likes them, I like them, and they're quite tasty. They're quite nice. And if you saw my last video, I was talking about the Alpro and how good it really is. It's fantastic. This is what I'm using on my cereal now. I've substituted it for milk. I tried the almond one last week, that was lovely. And I've gone back to the first one. I've tried the coconut because I do love coconut, so that is serving me well. Really like the Alpro. And yeah, just for in the week, I thought I'd try this new honeydew ale. A little glass in the evening. We'll go down. It will go down quite well. So that is, I call it the mini haul for the week. So stay tuned for those delicious meals which I'll be showing you how to make, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.